guys, so we're back at KMA for an update. And they got the old motor back in the old Buick. It's a straight 8. You guys knew last time they had the frame all blacked out. And now the motor's back in, the firewall's cut in, they got the jams done on it. And they're mocking up the panels. It looks like it has panels that go on the side of this thing to give it a cool looking body side to it that's factory. So just wanted to do an update. It's been about a month since I've been back over here. I've been real busy and they've been busy too. So guys, check out the old Tempest. This thing's coming together beautiful. It's all buffed out. We're putting the trim on it. The handles, new chrome. Another glass job over here, KMA guys. So the Tempest is looking beautiful now. New emblems. And I love that color they got on this. They're whitening out in here to get more reflection on the actual lens for the lights. So look at the trim with it all trimmed out. Thing looks beautiful. This car came a long way from the what it is here, guys. This thing's all glassed out now and it's coming beautiful. Frame's black, core support's blacked out. Look at the body on it. Beautiful job all the way down. Looks phenomenal. Nice satin dashboard on it. Yeah, this car is looking really, really nice. Look at the body on it. Straight as an arrow, guys. Remember last time I showed you it was before it was buffed. Now it's all cut and buffed, rubbed out. And they'll be building the front end on this thing soon. So we'll be following it to the end. Look inside the jams, how nice that looks. It's coming out beautiful. I wanted to show this Tempest now that it's buffed out. And they got the old C10. He's out undercover right now, just waiting to get some more progress done on him. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll be finishing these out fully.